It's about time appliances evolved to include the features that have been standard for 30 years in other industries. Here are 5 features and products you should consider for your home. Not to be spammy, but the last one is sensational if it works. But that's a big if. Induction cooking sales saw an increase of almost 30% at Yale last year, and that's a lot. It's nice to see everyone catching on to this new style of cooking, which was actually invented in the 1950s and actively marketed in the 1980s. Back in 1986, a much younger version of me sold it. Then induction vanished until 2000 when a Canadian company named Diva started selling 30-inch units for $4,000. Now induction's back with more cooktops and ovens at more reasonable prices. Induction's magnetic heat. We have more detailed videos, but the magnets excite the metal in your pans to cook your food bypassing the glass. So you cook faster than even a pro gas unit. It's easier to clean because stains are not baked in with the heat. And for Massachusetts residents, you can vent at 400 CFM, so you don't need a makeup air return in your house by law. Refrigerators are more efficient than ever due to energy standards, and the cooling systems become more advanced. You can now buy refrigerators with 2 evaporators instead of 1 for the same price. The refrigerator doesn't cross over to the freezer and vice versa, so odors don't transfer, leading to better tasting food, but also less defrosting and more consistent temperatures. Most dishwashers use a drying method the industry calls condensation drying, which is the heat and steam from the wash combined with jet dry and time. Lots of time. While this method works for plates, it's not as effective for less dense items like plastic. However, many manufacturers have developed better methods for drying your dishes. Let's look at the following options. Bosch, Miele, Beko, and Samsung have incorporated auto-opening doors that pop open at the end of the cycle, releasing steam and moisture to dry the dishes. This is particularly useful if you run the dishwasher before bed, as your steam won't redeposit on your dishes. Miele has 1 or 2 ports at the bottom of their dishwashers, allowing room air to enter. The hot and cold air will dissipate as water and be drained in your dishwasher. KitchenAid has a similar concept in their Pro Dry models. On the other hand, Profile pulls air out of the dishwasher with a fan to effectively dry even plastics. Clients have been raving about zeolite, or volcanic rock, used in the Bosch 800 series. Zeolite emits heat and absorbs moisture, making it an ideal component for a drying cycle. The best part is that zeolite doesn't need to be replaced. Also, look for dishwashers that operate at 44 decibels or less. These models are easy to find. You don't have to buy an expensive model to enjoy a quiet dishwasher. These dryers have gained popularity in Europe due to their energy efficiency. Now there are more heat pump dryer options that become more popular. A heat pump uses an air exchanger and compressor to recycle the air versus heating elements that pull air outside and then expel it out of your home. They're more gentler on your clothes because they dry at a lower temperature and are less expensive to run as well. They're all ventless, meaning any room can be a laundry room with water and power. You do have a limited choice in larger sizes for now, with this one being a notable exception. Introducing the GE Profile Ultra Fast Combo Washer and Dryer, a revolutionary appliance that has undergone a complete redesign. Its large capacity, the machine boasts a spacious 4.8 cubic foot capacity, allowing you to tackle larger laundry loads. Addressing the lint trapping issue in all-in-one washer-dryer combos, GE's improved the design with a double-sided filter. This machine can conveniently be placed anywhere in your home that has water in a 110-volt outlet. The Profile Ultra Fast Combo Wash and Dryer offers the following advantages. Put in your clothes dirty and they come out dry and clean. It's 110 in heat pump, meaning you have a laundry room anywhere you have water and a standard outlet. It's ultra large with an auto dispenser, microband coating to resist mold, and a bunch of other interesting features and maybe problems. To learn more about how we tested this machine and what we found, click this link, and thanks for watching.